Surprise!
Ria, you are alive?
Yes. So, you did your second marriage?
Yes, I got the news that you were dead. You martyred on the border.
I was not died. Enemies had captured us. I know how me and other soldiers were able to get away from there. In 4 years, I have lived in hell. And you so soon forgot me?
Ria, I haven't forgotten you till date.
Feeling good to see that you're alive. But I will feel so bad if you will go close to Sanju. Sanju is now my husband, and I'm going to become his kid's mother.
Swara, she's also my wife. You're talking about it.
She's saying right. You have your different life, and in that life, I have no place. It's better for me to go.
Ria, wait.
Where are you going?
I got my wife back after 4 years. I can't let her go just like that. Ria! Ria, wait. You can't go like this.
Why I can't go? 4 years I thought about you only. That how you must be living without me. Are you fine or not? But here you started your new life? I was wrong.
No, Ria. I was not able to forget you, nor I was able to live a normal life. I thought that if someone else come into my life, I will forget you and will be able to live a normal life.
So what? You were able to forget?
No. After marriage, I realized what a big mistake I have done in order to forget you.
No, you did it, no?
We vowed to stay together for a lifetime.
So why you break your oath? Why you did second marriage? 4 years my love was not able to last.
Your love will not end even after 4 lives.
You have your different life. I can't be its part now. You be happy now. What are you doing here? Be calm. I will go. Right now you're not well. Where is Sanju? He had gone out to see off the doctor. I don't want to spend my life like a single mother. Sanju told me about you before marriage. That he loves you a lot. I thought after getting married to me he will forget you. But he's not able to forget you till now. I love Sanju and he loves you. Now you are here. So I'm afraid that if he will leave me, then where I will go? How will I take care of kid? How will I live? Nothing is going to happen. I can understand. Now you are his wife. You are the part of his life. I was a part. He loves you so much. Maybe now he won't be able to live without you. So then I will go somewhere else so far. No, you both love each other so much. Give me some time. I will by myself go away from your life. Yes.
Should I draw a heart on it? Here you go. I think they're here. Go.
Hello. Come inside.
How are you?
We are fine. You both have to attend our wedding. Next month, we are getting married.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, guys. Thank you. By the way, you have to come 1 week before in wedding. You have to help us as well.
Yes, will come.
You also have to come to the wedding.
Yes,